If you are using Google Fit without an external device like me and want to add push-ups or other workouts in Google Fit, you have to do so manually. Just follow my touches. Click on the plus icon and Add Activity in Title. I'll add 20 push-ups for the day. You can add strength training or whatever fits you. Exercise time it would take you. So for me, 20 push-ups burn 10 calories. You can use AI for counting your calories. I suggest 2 to 3 heart point per activity. And click Save. This will show up in your day's journal and add to total calories burned. The problem in the app is you can input one category of activity, like strength training and aerobics, only once in a day. So you may need to add a total of all sub-activity in one bundle of calories burned. You can also divide it into different activities.